Woof is a site that I'm launching to be the last word in social networking. For just $12.99 a month, Woof links up all your communication portals so you are always within reach. It's part of the dog pack, as I call it. But look, why tell you when I can show you? I just sent myself a woof.
Ryan, you have a woof on line 1.
Thank you, Aaron. Woof.
Greetings. My name is Thor, and I will host a workshop on the use of social media in the classroom at Keilir's conference on flipped learning, April 14th, 2015. In this short introduction, I will touch on definitions of the key terms and then show you the agenda for the workshop. First, here is Merriam-Webster's definition of the phrase social media. Social media is forms of electronic communication through which users create online communities to share information, ideas, personal messages, and other content. Here is Wikipedia's definition, which is actually the definition from 2 professors in marketing, Andreas Kaplan and Michael Heinlein, both from ESCP Europe Business School. Social media is defined as a group of internet-based applications that build on the ideological and technological foundation of Web 2.0 and that allow the creation and exchange of user-generated content. Now, Web 2.0 is just what we consider today's web pages, with their interactive widgets, buttons, form fields, etc. Before Web 2.0, we had static web pages with embedded links. So this definition is pretty wide, isn't it? Here we can see some social media sites arranged into a few subtypes and some cryptic circle of slogans. I hope this graphic will help you understand the topic. But just in case you are like me, I found a bit more general classification that's easier to grasp. In 2007, Boyd and Ellison suggested a 3-way categorization of social media. First, we have social networking sites. These help you connect with people that have similar interests without you having to know them in real life. Twitter is possibly the best known social networking site. You connect to others by following them, and then their content appears in your feed. Social network sites are sites that should mirror some existing real-life social network. So the first type, social networking, was for building a social network based on topics, while social network sites are for modeling social networks that already exist, like your family, your coworkers, your business partners, the class you teach or attend, and so on. The typical social network site is of course Facebook, but also in this class are learning platforms such as Moodle, Ugla, and a large set of similar tools that you may already be using. So maybe the question is not if you should use social media in your flipped classroom, but rather if you should use multiple platforms, and then which services. So, to complete the 3-tier classification of social networks, the third type is social technology, which is used to enable social interactions in web applications such as news sites or business web pages. The technology can, for example, be used for sharing content or to communicate using video, voice, or social media feed. So how do we make use of this vast area of social media applications in our schools? We use it to publish material for our classes, for announcements to the students, for communication and cooperation within our organizations, for keeping up to date on new development in our field, and for public relations. In the workshop on social media in the flipped classroom, You can either sit down with your peers to discuss interesting social media topics, or bring your computer and follow a step-by-step instructions with assistance on your first steps in either Facebook or Socrative. Thank you, and see you in April.